Have you ever felt paralyzed just thinking about making money online? Convinced you don't have the skills or experience everyone else seems to have? You're not alone. Most people believe you need to be some kind of expert, always waiting for that perfect moment when they finally feel ready. But here's the truth. With AI, that moment is now, and the rules have changed. You don't need to be a writer or a designer. You don't need years of practice or expensive courses. These days, you just need a system and the right tools. AI does the hard work for you, turning uncertainty into opportunity. Imagine wanting to write articles but never knowing where to start. Now, AI can generate entire drafts for you. Want to create eye-catching visuals without any design experience? AI handles it in seconds. Stuck on new ideas? Let AI do the thinking. The old fear of not having enough skills, of failing before you even begin, doesn't hold up anymore. The shift isn't about mastering everything, it's about learning how to use these new tools. That's where the real power lies. But here's the catch. Most people still hesitate. They overthink. They wait for perfection, believing they have to be fully prepared before diving in. Ironically, that's what keeps them from ever starting. So let's change that right now. The key isn't expertise, it's action. Here's how you begin. First, pick one simple service to offer. Writing is a great start because it's in demand and easy to automate. Second, use AI to create your first sample. Let the tool do the heavy lifting. Third, offer that service online. That's it, just 3 steps. It sounds almost too simple, but that's the beauty of it. Complexity slows you down. Action opens doors. By moving forward, you'll learn faster, improve rapidly, and start earning sooner than you think. Don't let fear or doubt keep you stuck. The opportunity is here and waiting. The only thing missing? Your willingness to take a chance and start using these tools. So stop waiting. Let AI help you make that leap, and watch what happens next.